Hello, Southeast Iowa educators. This is a quick video on how to use Sched for the upcoming SEIIS convention that will happen on February 15th. This is our website for the SEIIS event. You can get there by going to tinyurl.com/SEIIS19. And then to get to the Sched, which is like an interactive schedule for the event, you're going to scroll down, and it's got some general information here on the website, but really what you're looking for are these links right here. So the Sched link, if you click that, is going to take you to our Sched for the event, which looks like this, where you can see the times for each of the sessions and the keynotes. And you can also click on or highlight the various breakouts that are available during those times. Now, so you can use this as just the schedule to view it, but what we'd really like to encourage people to do is actually to sign up for a Sched account, and then you can click on which one of these courses or breakouts you're going to go to, and that will allow us to know how many people will be attending each one, so we can make adjustments for seating and things if we need to. So in order to do that, it's quite simple. You just need to go to this link, and then you just need to click sign up, and you're going to want to sign up with email. And then just like any regular event, you're going to, or regular account, you're going to put in your email, your password, and I'll go ahead and put in my name there and say I'm not a robot, and then it's going to say create account, and then you'll be in. Now, I already actually have an account already, so I'm going to pause this video real quick, and I'm going to get logged in, and then I will show you how it works. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you're logged in, and you'll notice that now really the only difference is that I've got like a little head icon here that says it's me, and then now I have little dots available, so I can actually go through here, and I'm going to select, yes, I'm going to attend the keynote. I can go through, I can pick out which class that I'm going to do. Okay, Genius Hour sounds good. I will be attending the keynote, and let's see, how about Discover Google Drawings? Okay, and then last one, Easy Graphic Design. Okay, so there my schedule is done, and you can see now that it says Save to My Sched. So I can click on this, and then it's going to actually lay out for me exactly what my schedule is. And again, if I hover over these things, you can then see like the description of the course and where it's located and things like that. So it's really that simple. And again, you don't have to do this step, but we encourage you to do it because that will allow us to know how many people will attend each session, and that will just help us make the event run more smoothly. So on behalf of the SEIIS Planning Committee, I thank you for your time. Please contact myself at this email, or Kristen Hunter, or one of the SEIIS contacts at your school if you have any questions about how to use this. Thank you.